Well, welcome back. First, my apologies for my goofy short video. Yeah, that took a lot of effort for me to come out of my shell to do something that wacky. I'm more or less a perfectionist and creative, but whenever those two combined, it's OCD comes out. So, second apology is I don't have a SCSI hard drive to fill out that spot. I thought I did, but it sounded like a bunch of walnuts all getting squashed by a truck running over the tire. It was horrid. Unfortunately, I didn't have the camera rolling to film that, so it ended up as a paperweight to hold down the rocks outside in the gravel. Makes any sense. I threw it outside. So, on this one, I originally got it with a single, it was a single pinium. Oh, that's right. They're 133s. Two 133s. Forgive the lights dimming. My son is out there building something. I don't know. I should probably be worried, but yeah. I'll have to go out there and have a little discussion with him later. It's horrid. So I had to turn off the air conditioning. Darn it. Anyway, back to this thing. We have got a Rage. I can't very well see it through this. Rage XL. Yes. Rage XL PCI video card. It does have an open slot back there. I believe that was probably just a network card on it. I really don't have the space to set up a retro network, so I'm going to fill it in with this, you guessed it, another Vibra 16 sound card. It's got OPL. I was going through my sound card collection and holy cow, I got a lot. So I might go ahead and get this thing all put back together. I went ahead and did a very thorough cleaning on it. Caught up with a few things. And I'm gonna go fix the issue with the lights flickering. Yeah, I got a 4-disc CD changer in this server. Got the sound card installed. Vibra 16 sitting in there. It is hooked up in the back. I do not have any SCSI devices in here, unfortunately. Other than a SCSI CD-ROM, but I'm not going to argue with that. In fact, that 4-disc CD changer is pretty cool anyway. So, as you can see, Windows NT being installed on it. Distribution of a new Dell. Yeah, forget Dell. I hate them anyway. Go HP. Sad thing is, I think I got Dell server over there. Ugh. I don't know. I think that's what it is. Anyway, pan over here. We are ready to remove the floppies. Pulled my floppy out. And restarting the computer. Almost 50 megabytes of RAM. This is getting tiring holding this camera up like this. Here we go. Obviously I don't have the VGA drivers loaded up, so And don't even have the sound card on there. So, probably gonna have to get a few things set up here. Yeah. Because we're not finding... I don't think they're in here. So yes, I need to load up that stuff and get it taken care of. Alright, let's see what kind of benchmarks we can do here. We're going to start first with the S. Did not like that one. Okay. Will D work? Nope. M. Top bench won't work. N. Landmark's doing pretty darn good. It's doing really good. Alright, we're done with that part. So, let's see if we can run 3D bench. $83.3. Okay. Let's see if we run Chris's 3D Mark. We'll go with number 3 first. Nope, we ain't gonna be able to do that. So, I don't think we can run any of the Quake ones on here. Nope, not that one. Nope, not happy with that one. Nope, so we're good. Not going to do those. Okay, let's see what else we can play with here. There we go. Impressive. Yeah. About right, considering. Well, don't really care about that part. The fixed disk controller, that's going to be obvious because it's a server system. Not really designed for this kind of stuff. As you can see, since I have a multi-disk changer here, it assigned 4 different drive letters, obviously. This computer, wow. Holy smokes. That's pretty good. I'm not complaining. For what it is, I'll go with it. It's actually benching it right there. So, happy with that. And that's the end. So, can't run the Quake demos just yet. I'll do some more fiddling around with this. I still got to load the sound card drivers on here. Guess to do a little bit of gaming with it, see what happens. I don't expect much. It's a server. It's not designed for this. It's designed for being a server. That's why you've never seen a lot of these people doing big LAN parties on a server. Not saying it can't be done, I'm just saying it's not practical. Don't waste your time. And this thing's still pretty cool though. I enjoy it. So, on that note, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, or the dislike button, I don't care. Just hit one of those buttons. Do me a favor. Help me out a little bit. I'm still a low man on the totem pole out there. As this channel grows, obviously I'm going to have more stuff to show off or play with. Bring back some memories for you guys out there, guys and girls. I have another HP server that I would like to do the same thing on. It's a dual Pentium 3 with SCSI. Unfortunately, I didn't have a SCSI hard drive that size to work with this. It has to be a 2 gig or lower, just because of this older BIOS system. It's the BIOS that's limiting me to everything on this. I did get the confirmation from a former HP employee who did a lot of work on these things. He knows them inside and out, better than anybody else I know. A great friend. I enjoy talking to him, enjoy working with him. So, on that note, stay safe and watch out for those stinking idiots out there. And don't let the world get too crazy on you. Thank you and take care.